MJ has Rishi's mobile. They will find out who that girl is.
Rudra, relax. We'll handle it. Just a minute. Mom got this for you from Siddhivinayak temple.
Thank Mom from my side. Can I ask you something? When does the pain end?
You are going to kill Rudra next?
Never. But you just get used to it.
Hello guys. I got to know about Rishi. So sorry for your loss, Rudra. Maya told me that you want information about Rishi's girlfriend.
Rudra, I completely trust Rajiv, and believe me, he's a genius when it comes to computer hacking. We should get to Rishi's girlfriend before your dad, and we'll need him. You trust me, right?
Wonderful. There's a backup to Rishi's phone. Perhaps it will serve the purpose.
You know what, Rudra? Actually, just forget it.
Okay, forget it. I don't care, okay? I don't care!
I have to convert this faith into love, and make that love as a means to kill you. Ananya isn't wrong, Rudra.
Did you hear what we were talking?
When you are shouting so much, it is hard not to hear it. I'm sorry. Ananya doesn't like our friendship.
What nonsense is this? It's nothing like that.
No, Rudra. This is the truth. Rudra, Ananya is your childhood friend. She has been with you for every sorrow and happy moments. And today you have gone to someone else for support for the first time. Her anger is justified. If I was in her place, then...
So?
Nothing. I cannot replace Ananya, and that's a fact. I need to leave.
Maya, Please don't leave. Maya, please, 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 please don't go. I need you, please.
Why?
I need you. It's only you who's with me to look for Rishi's girlfriend and against Mrityunjay Roy. Please.
I'm not going anywhere, Rudra. Mrityunjay Roy can't do anything to Rishi's girlfriend.
You won't go anywhere, promise?
I promise you.
Wow! You are taming him very well. And the way he looks at you,
He'll never look at you that way.
you never know.
No, darling. You'll never know. What about the other task?
Yes. That poor Ankit. Now no one can find him.
Hi. It is so strange. The Rudra whom you are planning to kill is just like you. Exactly the same. And you know the funny part is, the one who made both of you like this is also the same. MJ. Maya, what will you do now? How will you kill Rudra? I'll do it according to my plan. His pain doesn't forgive his blood. But that is a feeling. He's a medium who will help me win my game. Just like Rishi. Ho ho! Maya, did you lie? This is not a lie. Really? Isn't this a lie? So tell me one thing. Why are you crying while saying this? These tears are real, and these feelings too. Hey, where are you going? Maya's tears always gets her lies caught. Maya, while following the path of revenge, we sometimes become like the person whom we are going to seek revenge from. What will be the difference between MJ and you then? Think about it. Who will seek revenge from you then? Pay heed to me, forget about this revenge and all, and become like me again. Like you. I have reached here because of you. Because of your love, your trust, and your weakness. I cannot become weaker than this. Okay. Relax, Maya, relax. Come on, let's play a game. Truth game. I'll ask you a question and you will have to answer that. Simple. You feel disgusted whenever a man touches you. But you look comfortable whenever Rudra has touched you. Am I right? It's a difficult question, right? I know. Okay, no problem. One more question. That kiss? That was a mistake, for which I have been punished. and this won't happen again. Okay. No problem. Yes. Why did you go to console Rudra after killing Rishi? Tell me. That was sympathy. I have also lost my brother. Why did you tie the holy thread on Rudra's wrist? Mom had given it. And I cannot go against my mom's words. Yes, absolutely. Mom had told you. How can you go against her? I mean, I know. One more question, okay? Why were you smiling so much when Rudra told Ananya that he trusts you? It is important for him to trust me, so that my plan of killing him succeeds. Wait. One last question, I promise. No more questions after this, okay? One last question. Why were you in pain after hearing what MJ has done to Rudra? As you said, that our pain is just the same, nothing else. Wow, Maya, you have an answer for every question. Brilliant, superb. But tell me one thing. Are you fooling the world or fooling yourself? I'm just fooling Rudra and nobody else. And I will not step back from my intentions. I will kill him. Time alone will tell this.
Stop her. I'll kill Mrityunjay Roy if anything happens to Rishi's girlfriend. I'll kill him. I won't spare him.
Rudra, calm down.
I'll kill him.
Rudra.
I'll kill him.
Breathe. Do you trust me?
तुझ पे भी तू लगे लाज़मी बेहद है ये मेरी आशिकी
You are strange, Maya. You make me get angry at one moment, and you give me peace the next moment.
Rudra, you will have to talk to MJ right now. If he has kidnapped Myra. He's MJ's son. He's MJ's son. He's MJ's son.
Are you reminding him or yourself?
Why are you over here? You will not stay here a minute longer. You will go away from here. If MJ will find you, he will kill you. Leave from here.
No. I am not going anywhere.
Don't you understand? If MJ finds out about it, he will not spare you.
He might kill you too.
He already killed me 10 years ago. Why don't you understand? Please. I have lost many things in my life. I don't have the strength to lose anymore.
Is that why you didn't come to meet me in 10 years? Do you know where all I have searched for you? there was no information about you.
Because the girl you were looking for since the past 10 years, she is dead. And now she is Maya.
No, Maya. You are still the same. My sister. Mana's sister. When I came to know that MJ's son is dead, I knew it. That only you could do this. I can't leave you alone, sister.
This job is mine alone. Myra, you don't know MJ.
MJ. MJ didn't just take your child away. He even took my Manas away from me. This revenge does not only belong to you. This revenge also belongs to me. If Rudra had come to know today that what you have done, then everything would have ended.
Myra, until I completely ruin MJ, until I send him to the darkness from where I have come, nothing will come to an end.